Hello guys, welcome to niftynayak.com. Today I will be discussing an intraday option selling strategy which anyone can implement on a daily basis to earn consistent income from stock market. So before I start with the strategy, I have few prerequisites which I want to tell you so that you can make sure that you are in the right path. Okay. So the capital required for doing this is approximately 1 to 2 lakhs. As of today, we are getting leverage from the brokers, but after September, you will not be getting any leverage from the brokers. So if you are watching this video after September, then you will need around 2 lakhs. But as of today, you can implement this strategy even with 1 lakh, provided you take the leverage from the brokers. So if you are new to stock market and if you don't have a demat account and a trading account, then I would suggest you open an account with discount brokers like Zerodha or Upstock, where you get all the facilities which are there. For getting started, these are very good brokers. The returns you can expect is around 2000 rupees profit on an intraday, and you will have to follow a strict stop loss of 2000 rupees. If you are new, then don't miss this. Whenever you have a loss of 2000 rupees, close the trade. What I do is, whenever there is a loss, I will not be booking the loss. Instead, I will be doing some counter trades, adjustments and carrying it for the next day. But if you are a beginner, I would not be suggesting you that. In my coming videos, I will be showing you how to do adjustments, counter trades, so that you can carry this to the next day and see how it works for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about all these kind of tradings. The probability of you making profit in this strategy is more than 75%, which means out of 4 trades what you take, you make a profit in 3 trades. Yes, there will be one trade where you may have to give some money to the market. In the long run, let me tell you, this is a very good strategy where with this much probability you can mint money in long run. Since the profit and loss is 2000 rupees, the risk to reward is 1:1, which is good enough. Okay, so let's get started with the strategy. So I have a Zerodha account where I will be showing you all the chart settings. So this is the chart which I have. So let me tell you what is the chart setting which I follow. You should be having an Heikin Hashi chart. So the Heikin Hashi chart is provided by most of the broking terminals these days. So Zerodha has it, Upstock has it, Sharekhan has it. So most of them have them. So it's not a big thing. So don't pay for these kind of settings. So just open an account with these discount brokers and you will be getting it. The time frame what I use is 5 minutes. RSI 14. So I will be telling you why I will be using all these indicators. So these are the chart settings which should be there. Volumes. So volumes will be in Nifty futures. Obviously in Nifty spot you don't have the volumes. The super trend indicator which I use is 7.2, 7.3 and 10.3. Okay. So these are the chart settings. So let me go to my chart. So as I told you, I am following Heikin Hashi chart, 5 minute time frame. We have 3 super trend indicators which is 7.2, 7.3 and 10.3. Then we have RSI 14, volumes. So I will be telling you how to use all these things. So we use the super trend indicator for entering the trade. So whenever there are 3 consecutive green arrows or 3 consecutive red arrows, that's when we take the trade. So when you have 3 consecutive red arrows, it means that the markets are weak and markets will fall. When you have 3 consecutive green arrows, that means markets are strong and markets will rally further. So when you have 3 consecutive red arrows, you open the Nifty futures chart. So let me just add that here. Okay, and see what is the volume which is there. If you are getting good support from the volume after the 3rd arrow in super trend, in spot, which it means that there are a lot of people who are following the same trend. Okay, so for now I'll open Nifty spot. Okay, so when you have three consecutive red arrows, so let's just find out an example for that. Okay, so I'll just take this example. So you can see here we have three consecutive green arrows. Sorry, this is two. Yeah, here. So here you can see that we had three consecutive red arrows. The first red arrow appeared here. The next two red arrows appeared here. Okay, so here there are two arrows, but you're not able to see two because it's overlapping. So 1, 2, 3, which means three consecutive red arrows have formed. Now you see the volumes in the Nifty futures chart and make sure that you have volume support as well. So volume candle should not be very small. Volume candle should be more than the average volume. Okay, so when you have that, it is time for you to sell a call option. So you will be selling a call option when you have three consecutive red arrows. And which is the strike you will be selecting? So see what was the previous high which the market made before the first red arrow. So before the first red arrow, the previous high was 14,720. I am just taking a round figure. Okay, you can see my crosshair, it is here 14,720. So approximately 14,700. So you will be selling 14,700 call option. Okay, and now you wait for the market to go in the direction. So when market falls, see here you can see market has fallen, and I am sure by now you would have made 2,000 rupees profit. Okay, so whenever you see a profit of 2,000 rupees, you exit the trade. Whenever you see a loss of 2,000 rupees, you exit the trade. Okay, don't make any mistake in this. Now, yes, similarly in the green on the green arrow. So let me just give you an example here. So here you can see there was a gap up on 5th of May. When there was a gap up, we had two consecutive green arrows. So there are two arrows here. One is overlapping behind the other, so because of which you are not able to see. Then we had the third arrow which came here. After this candle is when we go and sell a put option. When you have green arrows, you sell put option. When you have red arrows, you sell call option. So similarly, see what was the previous low it made before the first arrow. The low before the first green arrow was approximately 14,465, which is 14,450 around. So when at the end of this candle, you go and sell 14,450 put option, and you wait for the market to turn. So now you can see that markets has fallen, but let me tell you, even after this fall, because of theta decay, most of the time you make a profit. Okay, after that you can see that the market has picked up and gone here. I am sure by the time market has come here, you would have made more than 2,000 rupees profit, and it is time for you to exit the trade. Okay, now we use the volumes candle in futures to make sure that even volume is supporting our trend. Whenever you have that, go and make an entry. And when you have sold the put, make sure that the RSI is below 80. If it is above 80, then don't enter the trade, or if you have entered the trade, make sure you exit as soon as possible. Similarly, when you have sold the call, make sure that the RSI is not below 20. If it is below 20, you exit the trade or you don't enter the trade. Okay, so this is the use of RSI. So let me just summarize what I told in this strategy. So whenever you have three consecutive red arrows or green arrows is when you take the trade. before taking the trade, make sure you have support from the volume and RSI is within 20 to 80. So if you get a 3 red arrows and if RSI is below 20, then don't take the trade. If it is somewhere around 40-50, then you can take the trade. Okay. Similarly, when you have 3 consecutive green arrows and if RSI is above 80, don't take the trade. Okay. So this is how you trade, and exit. You exit when you have a profit of plus 2000 or when you have a loss of 2000. Okay. If RSI is above 80 or below 20 respectively, that's when you exit the trade. The fourth one is the moment you get the first opposite arrow. For example, in this case we got 3 green arrows, we took the trade. Let's say we were in a profit of around 1500 rupees when markets came here. You saw the first red arrow, that is the time when you exit the trade. Okay. So follow these rules consistently. Let me tell you, you will make wonderful money by following this strategy. I have been doing this for a long time, and let me tell you, this strategy has given me huge profit. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and share this video with your friends. Follow and subscribe so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you for watching.